Look, these tamarisk sticks have been in here for 14 days and they're starting to grow roots. Unfortunately, the tops of them were burnt. They were leaning against a garage wall and they were cooked by the hot afternoon sun, so the top parts are burnt, but the bottom parts are very much alive. They're growing roots. Let's have a look. They are growing roots. So at certain times of year, tamarisk will shoot roots in water very easily. Let's have a look at those roots. They're growing roots. See? They shot roots in water. And that's since my last video, about 14 days on tamarisk. There's a nice big long water root there. So these could be potted up. Of course, it would be better if the top half hadn't been burnt. I'll do some more again, but it just goes to show you can root your tamarisk cuttings in water. Nice healthy water roots for easily propagating tamarisk. Just like willow trees, really, aren't they? Really, they're as easy as willow to grow at certain times of year anyway, in water. Look at those beautiful healthy roots. I'm going to go and take some more cuttings now, and this time I won't let the top halves get burnt. Look how frazzled they got. They were leaning against some hot iron. This end is pretty dead, I think, up here. So my next cuttings, I won't let the tops get frazzled. Look at those beautiful roots. Instant propagation, instant tree. This time I shan't let my cutting get overheated. I won't. Where's a nice one? I'm going to make a big tamarisk tree this time, and I'm going to get it well rooted. And it's going to be a nice new tamarisk tree. Off with those bottom branches, into the bottle of water, and I should have a tree soon enough. I'll plant it out once the water roots are of a good size. There, instant tree. See, I suppose I could reduce some of the branches a bit so it doesn't have so much work to do. It's going to rain, there's a thunderstorm around me. I'll probably get hit by lightning for being a bad person. Probably. See you. Let's see how this gets rooted. See you then.